Hold on, want to crack that Python developer role in 2026? Just knowing Hello World won't cut it anymore. With Python 3.12 and 3.13 shaking up the tech world, here are the top 10 latest interview questions you need to master. The ultimate Python cheat sheet. Let's break the code. Hey techies, this is your Ragini. In the coding world, Python is still king, but to impress recruiters today, you need to dive deep into performance, memory, and the latest concurrency updates. From the infamous GIL to vibe coding trends, here is your top 10 list. Let's dive in. Top 10 Python Interview Questions 2026 edition. 1. What is the GIL, or Global Interpreter Lock, and what's the big change in Python 3.13? Answer. The GIL is a mutex that allows only one thread to hold control of the Python interpreter at a time. The 2026 twist, Python 3.13 introduced an experimental free-threaded mode that allows you to run Python without the GIL. This means Python can finally utilize multi-core CPUs for true parallel execution. 2. Difference between list comprehension and generator expression. Answer. List comprehension creates the entire list in memory immediately. A generator expression returns an object that produces items one by one on the fly, lazy evaluation. The edge. Use generators for massive datasets to save RAM. They are the real memory heroes. 3. What are decorators? Give a real-world example. Answer. A decorator is a function that takes another function and extends its behavior without explicitly modifying its code. Example. Think of a login required check. You can wrap any page function with a @login required decorator to ensure only authenticated users can access it. 4. How do args and kwargs work? Answer. These allow a function to accept a variable number of arguments. Args collects extra positional arguments as a tuple, while kwargs collects extra keyword arguments as a dictionary. 5. How does Python handle memory management? Answer. Python uses a private heap space for all objects. It has a built-in garbage collector, GC, that uses reference counting and a cyclic garbage collector to automatically free up memory. 6. Deep copy versus shallow copy. What's the trap? Answer. A shallow copy creates a new object but inserts references to the original nested objects. A deep copy creates a completely independent clone of the object and all its nested elements. If you modify a nested list in a shallow copy, the original changes too. 7. Why is the self keyword used in classes? Is it mandatory? Answer. Self represents the instance of the class. It allows you to access attributes and methods belonging to that specific object. While it's not a reserved keyword, you could technically name it me, it is a strict naming convention in Python. 8. What are dunder or magic methods? Answer. Methods like init, stir, and add are called double underscore or dunder methods. They allow you to define how your custom objects behave with built-in operations, like using plus to add two objects. 9. Is versus equals equals. Where do most developers fail? Answer. Equals equals checks for equality. Do they have the same value? Is checks for identity. Are they the exact same object in memory? Pro tip. 1, 2 equals equals 1, 2 is true, but 1, 2 is 1, 2 is false. 10. Why is type hinting becoming a standard in 2026? Answer. Even though Python is dynamically typed, using type hints, def, greet, name, string to string makes code much more readable and allows tools like MyPy to catch bugs before the code even runs. It's essential for large-scale enterprise projects. Logic is key, but staying updated is the secret sauce. From F-string improvements in 3.12 to the JIT compiler features in 3.13, knowing these nuances makes you a Python star. Remember, practice makes a programmer perfect. Which of these questions tripped you up? What's your favorite new Python feature? Let me know in the comments. For every coding tip and tech interview exclusive update, keep it locked here. We tell the truth loud and we tell it quick. This is Ragini signing off. Keep watching. Bye-bye.